Lights, camera, clarification. Today's hot headline centers on none other than action drama king Coco Martin, who's making waves not for a new teleserye twist, but for setting the record straight against misleading online ads. His production company, CCM Productions, dropped a firm statement. Nais naming linawin na si Coco Martin ay hindi konektado, nag-endorso o nagpropromote ng anumang uri ng sugal o online gambling platforms. That's right, Coco is drawing the line. No dice, no cards, no slots attached to his name. But the drama doesn't end there. The camp also warned fans. Ang anumang patalastas, social media posts, or materyales na kumakalat online na gumagamit ng kanyang pangalan, larawan o pagkakakilanlan kaugnay ng ganitong aktibidad ay hindi autorisado at mapanlinlang. Translation: those flashy promos popping up on your feed with Coco's face are nothing but fake news. And the reminder gets even stronger. Mahigpit naming pinapaalalahanan ang publiko na maging mapanuri at iwasan ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga ganitong uri ng papanlokong promosyon. This isn't just Coco's battle. Other big names like Jenilyn Mercado, Jessie Mendiola, and even Olympic champ Hidelyn Diaz have also been dragged into similar scams. So what's the takeaway? In true showbiz fashion, Coco Martin is protecting his brand, his fans, and his integrity. The only endorsements you should trust are the ones posted on his verified social media pages. And that's a wrap on today's Starbiz Buzz. Coco Martin's camp has made it crystal clear. No gambling ties, no shady endorsements, just pure entertainment. But here's the real spotlight moment. You, the audience, as CCM Productions reminded everyone, should stay vigilant and avoid engaging with deceptive promotions. So, if you see Coco's face or any celebrities being used in suspicious ads, don't fall for the glitz. Double check, scroll past, and trust only verified sources. In the world of entertainment, image is everything, and Coco's making sure his stays spotless. Protect yours by staying sharp, staying safe, and staying tuned. Because mga ka-Starbiz, in this industry, the truth deserves the spotlight.